We had to take off the plastic piece on the opposite side there so we could actually push that bolt out, which we did. At this point is when I started to get nervous about the engine might falling, so I was just trying to be very careful when taking out those two front frame bolts. If I noticed any sagging, I was going to jack up the bike a little bit more. I didn't really want to use a block of wood, so I used that foam there. Here you see us putting in the spacer in the front part of the frame, and then just lining up the holes perfectly with the actual armor from Full Metal Stunts. These are the race rails, so we just took our time slowly putting things in, trying not to cross-thread anything, really just kind of taking our time. I think this overall took us about an hour and a half to 2 hours. We were just slowly working through it. You can see that we got middle frame bolt and the front frame bolt and then the rear end. So then we put in that crossbar. That crossbar is supposed to add a little extra layer of protection in case the bike does go onto its side. It doesn't damage the frame itself. You can see we're just rinsing and repeating here, put the spacer in, tightening up the middle and the front frame bolt, and then getting it